What's up, guys? This is Everyday Man's Review here, and the absolute best travel drone you can buy right now is the Mavic Air. The Mavic Air is portable, that you can put it in your pocket, put it in your backpack, go out to Paris and, take photos and stuff. You can go anywhere with this drone. And right now I'm showing you, a slideshow what the drone looks like, but that pales in comparison to the link I'm going to show you down below this video description. Check out this link, see what the Mavic Air is about, and you can make a decision from there. But the Mavic Air is the best drone for travel photography in 2019 as of right now. So go ahead, check that link below this description, and you can see what this Mavic Air is about. Alright guys, you like, share, and subscribe, and you have a nice day. Again, I can't stress this enough. If you want to check out what this Mavic Air is about, stop looking at this slideshow right now and check out this embedded video down below this video description right now. You're going to love what you see. You're going to be excited. You're going to be excited about the possibilities of a travel drone that you can put in your pocket, put in your backpack, in your purse, whatever. Go to anywhere, different country, get some nice aerial photos. Just check out that link. Alright guys, like, share, and subscribe, and have a nice day.